Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Yeah, I'm Xiaogang from Gorgeous Timepiece GDC4 Studio. In this video, I'm very exciting. Okay, because as you can see as a topic here, we are going. I'm together with you guys we are unboxing the one of the Montblanc a rollable pen that's called writing instrument here. And yes, we have something special over here too today. And as you can see, we have a very nice Rolex box over here. I'll tell you later on what is inside this Rolex, the box here. And yes, but before we get into the topic, I will just do a very quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing my, as you can see, okay, this is my, it's a very nice international watch company, as we call IWC. Okay, South Korean. It's a 36.5 millimeters, 18 karat yellow gold. Okay, very nice, and it's run with the legendary caliber 89. So it's very nice, stunning. I love this watch very much. Okay, let's cut the bullshit. Okay, and we're the Mont Blanc here, and but surprisingly, as you can see, the paperback is actually made in Vietnam. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, it's just like an Adidas shoes. Okay, and or like a Nike maybe. Okay, and what we got here, these it's quite a recent release from Mont Blanc, the rollerball. Okay, and as you can see, this is very nice. We have very nice the box over here. Okay, and this pen is actually this price is worth around USD is around like $600, right? $600. In Malaysia is about 2004 and 2005. Yeah, it's probably in the price is like 2004 and 2005 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, and we have a very nice you can see the Mont Blanc support the Unicef. Okay, this is the foundation for the charity. It's very nice, and it's printed in Germany. Okay, got everything here, and I have a very nice booklet over here. And what is the special, the features of this pen, as you can see. Okay, wow, very nice. Okay, as we know, Mont Blanc usually they will come with three types, like rollerball, ballpoint, and ballpoint pen, and rollerball, and the fountain pen. Okay, and you have a lot of version over here. Okay, and there's a six sign of progress, which shows the love in Chinese, the Japanese, the Korean. There's a lot of language that embossed on the pen there. Okay, right, very nice. You can see, and there's a blue. Oh, very nice. That is also a blue. Yeah, it's also a blue jewels, the gem on the top of the cap over there. Very nice. Okay, and this is the box. Let's see. Wow, that's nice, really nice. Okay, what we got here is the Swiss guy writing. Yeah, let's call it pen. They call it writing instrument instead of pen. Okay, and wow, that's really nice. Okay, right, and this is the certificate is over here. Okay, all the information we got here, and yeah, and 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nice. You have a very nice Mont Blanc logo over here, and the pen is inside. Just like try to take it out. Try to take it out, man. Very nice. Can see. A very nice. A very deep blue. You know, like the jewels over here. You can see the sign of the language. The letters is top of the cap over here. As you can see. Okay, very nice. Wow, stunning, phenomenal, very nice. Okay, and we have, of course, we have the Meisterstock Mont Blanc Okay, the leather over here, very nice. The weight of this pen is very solid, very solid. Okay, as I can feel. And let's try something. Whoa, nice, very nice, smooth, very smooth. Okay, okay, very nice. Okay, and let's put it on the side first. And what we got here, we have a Rolex box, and of course, as topic you can see, I have a very special and a very rare. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this is actually a rollerball, a pen, a writing instrument. Is dedicated for Rolex. As you can see, this is not, of course, Mont Blanc, as we know, is made in Germany. Okay, and this is Switzerland. Okay, Swiss made, as you can see over here. Sorry guys. Okay, as you can see, Swiss made. And we have the Caron d'Arc as the brand. Is the only few of the top pen writing instrument manufacturer in Switzerland that dedicated they manufacture the writing instrument for Rolex, as you can see. And the color is of course the official green for Rolex. Okay, very nice. And we have a very nice emboss over here. Okay, as you can see, Caron d'Arc, very nice. We have the gold tone, and the gold matching with the a green, very nice. Okay, as you can see, let's try it on. Okay, wow, very nice, very nice. But in terms of the smoothness, I'll prefer the Mont Blanc, actually, the Mont Blanc. Very nice. Wow. Let's try again. That's quite not bad, actually. Both of these writing instrument is it's not bad, it's stunning. Very nice, you can see. But actually I prefer the a Mont Blanc, a pen, a writing instrument, because getting a Mont Blanc pen, a writing instrument, is always my dream since I was a kid. So yeah, and it's one of my my dream to you know, like, guys, I just want to get one of these, you know, like, so I'm very happy with it right now. And yeah, you know, but I, of course, I have a very nice, a very rare. We have a logo, Rolex, and we have a crown over here. Very nice. This pen is very nice. But in terms of weight, I've this the Mont Blanc is feel more solid and premium from what I can feel over here. And this will be the Rolex is very solid and too, but because maybe the weight, so I feel the Mont Blanc is a little bit more heavier than the Rolex, you know, like, yeah. Okay, so let's see inside what we got here. We have a very nice, everything is, you know, like, yeah, rollerball, as you can see here, made in Germany, Mont Blanc. Okay, yeah, you know, like, made in Germany. Over here, like, rollerball. Okay, very nice. And what we got here, we have a very nice Swiss made, as you can see. Wow, that's nice. As you can see here, we have the cartridge inside, you know, like, Switzerland. It's medium, a blue. The ink is a blue. Caron d'Arc, very nice. Okay, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys give a comment below if you have any question, and I just want to share with you guys something, some special about this Rolex pen over here, the writing instrument. Okay, and I'm Xiaogang. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.